Pam pam. Okay, another part. And this is not totally part 2 because I'm just videoing again. And I can find the Hey Machete. Hey, this is my lucky day. I have a This is my almond water, bro. This is a Glock, bro. Are you safe or are you just dying? Yep, you're dying right now. And I have a machete. A Beretta. Wow! This is... Oh, wow. This is not cool, bro. I'm just going to be in the safe zone. Yeah, that's cool, right, guys? Guys, that's cool, right? What is this? Okay, I'm just gonna stay here a while. Bring me Rapatim Pita. Bang! Is that Pennywise? Bang, 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 bang. Guys, is there an ammo or I can reload more and more? Bring me Rapatim Pita. Biscuit, no! Oh, that's why. Just reloading. If I got an RPG, but I got a machete. Brum. There's a monster. Wait, can I just... Oh, wait. Mama. Okay, let's go. There's a room. This is an energy drink. Boom. Mama, hey, is there a monster there? That's a monster. Yep, that's what I get. I have an energy. But wait, no, I can't. Bro, no! And I have an almond. Wait, no, I don't want to drink it. Wait. No, that's it. No! What? Guys, you have a lantern? I have a Beretta and I'm gonna shoot. Yeah, you thought. Now reloading. And boom. RPG! So I'm just gonna out here and interact. Equip. Boom. I'm dealing with this, guys. Okay. Guys, you have a lantern. Yeah, where is the lantern guy, bro? I just saw the lantern guy and just bro, just come on. Where? There is anything? Nope. Mom, I don't want you. FPS. What is FPS? Means. What is FPS means again? Guys, let's explore. Guys, let's explore. If I'm going to... Yep, there's two. Guys, there's two opponents. Mama, why I am crouching, bro? And there's a master too, bro. Yeah, just I like this. But I like this. Yeah. Whoever. Bro, mati ito. Yeah, that's what I thought. Whip. Boom. Boom. Oh, boom. Bro, guys. Don't be scared. Take it scaredy. I knew it. I didn't just knew it. I knew it, bro. He lives. Oh. That's a lantern, bro. Just come on. Let's do this. This is it, right? Yeah. But I can lantern barretta. Oh, that's why lantern. Hey, guys, this is a lantern. Guys, let's them all. Let's them all. Let's them all. Let's them all. Let. Yep, that's what I thought. 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 I have a machete, bro. Do you know me? I have a machete guy. I'm the machete guy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Hey. Bro. Oh, wow. This is an overloading. And I'm reloading right now. Okay, you thought. Boom. One. That's my friend, bro. Where are you? I'm just gonna find my friend because I can find my friend, so I can. Guys, I think the guns can't roll. Guys, we have a problem. And where's my? Oh, that's my friend. Where is he again? I'm just gonna be teaming with him. And I need a drink. Let's go. Energy drink. Equip it, bruh. Ah, there's my Beretta and an energy drink. Ah, that's right. I thought I just pick up my and. Oh, that's right. Guys, anybody home? I'm just gonna hold that. Okay. Guys, bro. Guys. I'm speaking, bro. What are you doing here? Bro, is a person or bro? Just come. No. Okay, you are not the person, bro. You are just an I don't know. But you are not just. I hate you. I thought that was a monster, bro. What is this? Wait, did I just interact it with it? I don't know what I'm doing. When I pick up my... Wait, this is my stuff. Where is my stuff, bro? Yeah, I just wanna die again, bro. Yeah, I don't wanna die again, so I'm just going to be here. Can I hear it?